Hi, today I'm going to show you how to defrost a Kenmore Elite refrigerator. If your refrigerator making a loud noise, 9 out of 10, ice is building up around the coil, which causes your refrigerator fan to making that knocking noise. Tools you are going to need is a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a little pick like this if you do have it, and a hair blow dryer. So first thing you are going to do is unplug your refrigerator and remove all the shelves. Now that we have the refrigerator plugged out, it's time to remove the shelves. So lift up, unhook. Be careful because the top glass on here removes. Now you can see the ice build up on the outside. Behind that panel is the coil. Now we're going to start removing the panel. First, you want to move the air filter. So it's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. 2 hold this in and 1 hold this in. Now it's time to remove the left drawer panel only. It's time to remove the back panel. Go pull down slightly. Pull. Just like that. So be careful not to pull it all the way down, because there is a wire behind here that needs to be unplugged. Say press and release, pull it out. Now, so that ice building up on the top of the coil is what creating all that noise. There go the fan. There's no ice in my fan because I'm doing it early before the noise starts. So normally ice build up around the fan and this fan making a noise. So as you can see, so your defrost system is not working properly because it should defrost 3 times a day, and to prevent this from happening. So you gotta call your professional refrigerator company to do what I'm going to do right now. And there's a part that going bad. So whatever that is, I do not know. But for now, I'm going to defrost this until I can call somebody to come repair it. So this is just a temporary repair. Now it's time for your blow dryer use. Switch it on to hot and turn it on. And just melt it off back and forth. Do not keep it on the wires. Just keep going back and forth. Take your time and melt the ice off. It will melt it. Don't worry about where the water going. It has a drain in the back of the refrigerator. So just keep going until the ice is melted. Next note, do not try to pull the ice off. Let it melt by itself because you will damage these coils. So don't pry the ice off. Just keep going. I'm going to pause until it's almost all the way off. go. That's it. That's all you need to do. Just take your time and that's it. Now it's time to wash the trays and put it back together. Now it's time to put it back together. First thing, remember to plug this back in. And that's it. Everything is put back together. Now it's time to put the shelves back in, but for the most part, the job is complete. So I have everything nice and clean and ready to put back in. there you have it. Plug it back in, and you're ready to go. Now it's plugged back in. Temperature, nice and clean, and you're ready to roll again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.